Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was having trouble with this earlier and I realized it was the drawing itself causing me trouble. But what it is, you can't use the boundary tool on this particular item because it just does that. And that you could still go from that and make it work. But if you will group all this together, go to Object, Group, and group it, and then open up your effects and go to Contour. And we're going to contour the outside one step, 1/4 of an inch. But see, that's where I'm getting this white. I do not understand it. So what we can do is take all the fill away and add just an outline, and then we can contour it and we get just that line. Now we can go up to Object and break Contour apart. We're actually going to move the contour over, but this time we're going to contour one step, 1/4 of an inch to the inside. It mimicked that shape exactly. What it's doing is skipping over these smaller parts because the contour couldn't get in there, but now it's going to be perfect. So we're going to go to Object, break Contour apart, and grab that one, and now we've got a cut line around that item. Now we can always move our contour away, select this, and just left click black and it'll fill it in. So there's your engraving point. I would also make sure that I had hairlines. So we want to take away all the hairlines by right clicking. So now we have just a RGB black, and we can put this out back and it'll cut it out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.